Hey, future professors! I, Professor Aakash, and this is my masterclass of UGC NET 360 degree channel. If you are looking for UGC NET exam preparation or pursue PhD or become assistant professor, this is the perfect channel for you. Many of the student faces problems like how to crack UGC NET Management Exam within limited time framework. So, let us discuss our first topic, that is how to crack UGC NET exam in 90 days. First content, that is the understand the syllabus. Before going through the whole syllabus, first of all, print the syllabus and mark strong and weak areas. With the help of weak areas, you will get an idea which topic required more focus. After that, this whole syllabus divided into 3 parts. First part would be the core concept, including what is the management, what is the organization behavior, human resource management, marketing and finance. Second part, that is the quantitative and research, including statistics, mathematics and research and methods. And third part, that is the realistic topic, like what is the strategy, what is the ethics, how governance work, and what is the current trends. After that, this is the most important thing, how to make a study plan. You will have to make a 2 study plan on the basis of daily routine and weekly basis. Including daily routine, you will have to give 2 hours for the concept clarity, 1 hour for the practicing MCQs, and 20 to 30 minutes gives for the quick revision. Including weekly basis, you will have to give 1 mock test, revision and concept clarity. This all the aspect I will cover in upcoming lecture in this channel. After that, most critical and most problematic topic, how to make a note. Major of the student make lengthy note, that is the not a perfect strategy to making note, so that make a concise 1 or half pages note per topic. Summarize each unit in 10 key points only, because UGC NET exam needs concept clarity, not memorizations and mug-ups. So always use a color coding and sticky notes for the quick recalling and concept clarity. After that, how the practice makes man perfect. UGC NET gives you 180 minutes to attend 150 MCQs. Mota, you have only 1 minute for the 1 MCQs. And in that 1 minute, that is the difficult to manage, identify the question patterns, identify the concept clarity, so that always solving the previous year question papers. Identify the questions and practicing 30 and 50 MCQs in daily basis. Analyze the mistake and maintaining an error log to improve speed and accuracy. This topic is the most important for the day, because UGC NET exam required consistency rather than the intensity, so that maintain proper sleep and diet. Always habitual to short breaks to help retention, because believe in your process rather than the result. And you don't need to study 10 to 12 hours a single day. Just 2 to 3 focus hours daily enough to crack UGC NET Management Exam. UGC NET exam is not a tough. It just need consistency and direction. So, I will discuss in this channel unit-wise preparation for UGC NET Management. I will cover all the aspect like exam pattern, whole syllabus, handy written notes for study material. So that subscribe to NET Master 360-degree channel for management lectures, notes. Keep revising and keep practicing and keep believing. समय लग सकता है लेकिन मंजिल पक्की है. समय लग सकता है लेकिन मंजिल पक्की है. बस मेहनत ईमानदारी से करो. So, we will meet again for the next topic, that is the syllabus explanation in fantastic way. Thank you so much. Take care.